Okay, I'm going to show you how I put my dirt bike in the back of my truck. First thing I want you to notice, I've got two ramps. One is to walk up, the other one is to have the motorcycle roll up. They're strapped and secured to the tailgate so that the ramps won't slide off as I power the motorcycle up the ramp. All right, let me show you. Pretty simple, right? Just power it up. Same thing works with street bikes as well. These ramps will hold, I think, 600 pounds. So pretty much any street bike except the biggest, you can use these ramps for. Let me show you how I take it off. Okay, that's it. So a little tip with this is that once you get the rear tires centered on the ramp, then just sort of align your frame to the edge of the ramp, and then that'll help you keep that rear wheel in the center. Uh, the other thing to remember is that you can use the front brake only, or in this case, I had it in first gear, and I was also using the clutch to, if I needed to modulate, and have rear wheel braking if I need it. And that's really helpful when you have like a wet ramp, because that front tire is just going to slide down the ramp. So put it in gear and use that friction zone. Okay, all right, hope that was helpful.